Yes. Now you see this up move. I figured it out. Okay, again huge volume here. Then what happens here? The price is still going up and again, right? This kind of volume. So what in if you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can easily draw the structure. You see how the price tested out? We will not take the position until the price tests this region. Okay, first test. You can see the price is not even testing this region. Got it? The price is not testing this region as well. Wait, hold on. Yes. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So while waiting for the test, this kind of situation is very different now. Now, what you're gonna do is it depends on the time as well, what time you have at 10 p.m. But obviously, you're not taking the trade at this time, but wait, hold on. Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we are going back and test this region, okay, as you know, we are going back and test this region, we can draw another structure from here to here, from downward, identify this one, and you can see the increase in volume, test it out, okay? All right, then what we can do if you go to the 3-minute time frame, we can further, like we can further to say, yes, we can further make this better structure. So you have to adjust on all 3 time frames. The price did not become oversold, okay, but then the price makes a new kind of wave here to the upside, and this becomes finally oversold. Got it? Oversold, and the price breaks to this channel. Got it? And now this kind of break which we have on the top here, it follows after upthrust, high volume, and then breaks through it. You can take a position here all the way to the downtrend. Got it?
Yeah.
The point is the price is reaching this high. And as the price is reaching its high, you can easily take highs and lows, okay? Long and short trades. But still, you can see the time. What time is it, man? This time you not usually trade. So that's why the market is moving like this. Why? Because of this time. Got it? Time matters a lot.
Yep.
The time
Yep,
you enter the
okay.
trade matters a lot. Yeah. Now, let's see here. 5:30 your time. What do we see? The price has another panic selling. Okay, you can see easily huge. If you compare this, this is easily understood as a huge volume here. So what? Draw the structure. Overbought. This one testing. You can go up. Right or no? Okay.
Yeah, right.
All right. And now why this fails? Why this selling climax failed later on at this one? I told you before. Because if this is impulsive move and this corrective move becomes larger than this one, that it failed at this point. It did not complete. Makes an upthrust and did not complete. And you see the volume here. And you see the volume at the upthrust here. So which direction should you think the price should follow? This upthrust or this oversold?
Up just.
Why? Because the volume becomes larger than this one. So yes, we take a trade, but once we see that the price has reached our level, we have take a profit, and then we see upthrust, and upthrust volume exceeds the selling climax volume. Then we have to take a new bias. A new bias will become short. Got it? All the way down to this level. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll see how the price reacts. So what happens once we are in this move here, we can draw the structure again. But you see the time, what time is it? Time is also important. You will not usually take this trade at this time. So what happens? Your time is what time? 3 p.m. here. The time opens here, right? And you see the prices falling down and down and down. And then after your New York session started 3 or 12 your time, right? 12 starts from here, the highest point. Okay. You see the structure is already there. See, now I'm putting everything together, and the lowest point before opening of this one would be this one. Okay. And then if you can draw the structure from the second point to this point here. Make sense? From the lower low, I just merge these 2 points. Make sense?
Yeah.
Either this one or this one, you can do both. And this becomes what? Oversold. And you can see the sudden acceleration as well. Sudden acceleration. This also should give you a good idea. And if you go to the 5-minute time frame, you will see selling exhaustion. Sudden acceleration and selling exhaustion. Got it?
Okay.
So if you combine all these things together, you easily have an idea, right? And you go to the 5-minute time frame and you can check it out how to take a position to the upside. See how everything makes sense now? Do you have any problem now?
No.
No, all clear? Now you see this one here. The price is moving to the upside here. What kind of move is this? What kind of move is this? I see this as this one move, second move, and third move, and the fourth move becomes larger. And then the corrective move becomes larger. What does it tell you? This must be a buying climax, right? You draw this.
Yeah.
Simple. First test, second test, AR, and then you have all the way down. Okay, if you go to the 5-minute time frame, you will see here. Okay, this becomes accelerated move to the upside. And then we not only have accelerated move, we also have the down move here. Okay. So when the price comes back and tests this region here, you can easily identify on 3-minute time frame, and you can get a 2-hour trade over here. And then the price come back and exactly test this region, but the price did not test this region here yet. So what we need to do? We need to make another line and wait for this and see the timings as well. What time did you observe here? 5, 6, 7, 8. Your time is 8 o'clock, right over here. What would be your timing here? And now once we are observing this one, we can draw the immediate bias, right? From this low to this low, immediate bias. And what will you observe for the immediate bias? The price is oversold, goes up, and then at 8 o'clock, it becomes open and tests this region. What do we have here? We can test this region, and this is the buying climax high. We can exit our trade over here. Make sense?
Yeah.
The immediate bias would be bullish. That's it. This is all you need to do to combine all the structure together. So we finished the webinar, or do you want to continue more? So now the structure for the reaccumulation and redistribution ledge, I will record the video for it. So in the evening, you want to do the webinar or tomorrow in the morning? Yes.
I think, yeah, we can do tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow morning we'll do it early. Okay, all right.
Yeah, maybe about, should be, if early morning would be 1 p.m.
1 p.m. your time.
Yeah.
And 10 a.m. Yes, 1 p.m. is perfect. Okay, all right. Okay, bye-bye. So I will send you this video. You should practice it, and then you will understand everything. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Right.
Bye-bye.
Right, thank you.
Yeah, and I will record the video for reaccumulation and redistribution. Okay. and send it to you,
Right.
upload on YouTube so that you can watch it just like this. And then tomorrow we can practice some chart, do some risk management, and then you are ready. Okay, I will give you some printed sheet with PDF file. You can remember those structures of accumulation, types of distribution, and then with some chart examples, we will prepare it, and then you can remember it, and then you are ready for trading. Okay, for the test.
Okay,
Got it?
okay.
Okay, okay. Bye-bye.